Hi, I am Kevin Becker, the founder of Dotaki. Maybe you've already been to a shop to buy a new mobile phone and the salesperson said something like, well, this new model is great. It has 20 megapixel camera, which is the best resolution you can find on the market. Some people like me would be thrilled, but other people just won't care. And the salesperson would have had better chance to sell the mobile phone to them if he had said something like, the colors the camera picture are so beautiful that will make you happy every time you look at your pictures. So it shows that personalizing the way we present information to customers is a key revenue driver for the retail industry. Sadly, it's completely missing online. This is why Dotaki has created an artificial intelligence which is able to recognize two very different groups of people amongst the visitors of a website, the rationals and the emotionals. It allows very powerful personalization. For instance, if you want to sell a skirt to an emotional person, you will have better results if you use human beings and lively colors. On the contrary, as you see below here, for the rationals, you will sell more if you focus on the product, use straight lines. It delivers tremendous results, from plus 3% after a few weeks or months up to 15% after 1 year, and way more afterwards with our algorithm continuous learning. Why is it so important? I will give you another example. One of our customers, he has a checkout page, and he knows that people become very anxious at the moment of the checkout, of the payment. So they wanted to reassure them. They created a new version of the checkout step with a reassuring text. Here you can see on the top, it says, don't hesitate, returns are free. So you can buy, you can pay and change your mind afterwards. They compared the performance of those two versions and didn't find anything. Didn't find any significant difference. So they told us, well, we're going to stick with a good old checkout page as we know it. And there, they were losing business without even knowing it. What happened is that actually emotional persons who tend to be very anxious were reassured by this text and would buy more. But what they didn't expect is that rational persons who are very goal-focused, when they arrive at this step, they are decided, they have taken the decision, and reintroducing doubt, like saying returns are free, which means basically maybe you didn't take the right decision, maybe it's not the right product for you. Well, when rational people see this text, they buy less. Some people buy more, some people buy less. In the end, you don't see any difference. And it's a big issue because every time you change something on a website, it is very likely to have a positive impact on one group and a negative one on the other. Of course, Dotaki is there to target the right version to the right group of people and increase performance. We have deployed it successfully at major players in the online world in France and Germany. They are B2C online sellers from the fashion, travel, insurance, home improvement, automotive industries. It works extremely well and it's very easy to deploy and to test. Just a JavaScript to put in your tag management system. It's a few hours for one of your developers. So all you have to do is to send me an email and we will very soon be discussing how to take your conversion rates to the next level. Thank you for listening.